Hello and welcome to the Ordinary Level Mathematics with your instructor Fateh Sasoli, and today we'll be looking at angles in opposite segments. We've discussed segments in our previous video where you must remember that segment is an area which is bound by a chord and the arc. The area in between is a segment. If we talk about segments and angles in opposite segments, this R and this P over here, they lie in the opposite segments, and the rule is that they should always come up to 180 degrees. Let's look at our first example. The question given to us is that in the diagram AB is equal in length to BC. Whenever lengths are equal, we know that the size of the angle is also equal. And what we need to find out the value of ACD, which is this angle over here. We'll apply the same knowledge, which is an angle. The triangle is always equal to 180 degrees with the three angles. So 180 is equals to 54 plus 54 plus B. 180 is equals to 108 plus B, and 180 subtract 108 is equals to B, which means B, the angle B is equal to 72 degrees. Now since we found B, which was 72, we'll simply subtract 180 from 72 to get this angle D, and we get 108. So D here is 108 degrees. Let's be looking at these lines. What do they mean? These lines, these notations mean that angle A and angle C, the lengths are equal and so are the angles, which means again that the sum of the three angles of a triangle are again 180 degrees. So 180 is equals to 108 subtract, let's name this as X, and this too is X minus X minus X. 180 is equals to 108 minus 2X, which is 180 minus 108 is equals to 2X, which would mean 72 is equals to 2X, or X is equals to 36, meaning the angle C here is 36 degrees. Let's look at example 2. The diagram O is the center of the circle. Given that KOL is 110 and LMN is equals to 85 degrees, find OKN. Now the angle OKN is right here, and we know as a rule that this complete angle and this M over here, they lie in opposite segments, which is they should be equal to 180 degrees. Now let's look at our question component by component. If we could just find the angles over here, we could very easily find OKN. We see that line OK is a radius since it's extending from the very center of the circle, and line O and L is also the radius, which means they're equal in length and they're equal angles, which would mean the sum of a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees, bringing 180 is equals to 110 plus, let's name this as X, and this too is X because they're equal, plus X plus X. 180 subtracted 110 is equals to 2X, which would mean 70 is equals to 2X, or X is equals to 35. This angle here came up to 35. It's all very simple now. What we know is OKN, this angle 35, and 85 should come up to 180. So we'll just apply the knowledge of that we've just gained and find out OKN. So it comes down to 180 is equals to 85 degrees plus 35 degrees plus OKN is equals to 180, which should be, this is 120 plus OKN, or 180 minus 120 is equals to OKN, which comes up to 60 degrees. So this angle here is 60, this was 35, and we're done with that. Coming up next is the video on tangents to circles. Please follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and get in touch. You can also send us your queries on WhatsApp. The details to all these platforms are given in the detail section of the video. Thank you for watching.